Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make these bubu gown styles. These short bubu gown styles. You'll be needing your fabric, of course, tailor's chalk, staple and scissors. Fold fabric into 4. Put your vertical measurements. Mark 3.5 inches as neck width and 9 inches as neck depth. Connect as shown. Mark 1 as back neck depth. Stop shoulder by 1.5 inch as seen here. Cut it out, but cut the back neckline first. Remove the back and cut out front neckline as seen here. It should look like this when you open the front pattern. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.